how to check in online on Aegean Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can utilize your Aegean Airlines account to check in online. Now, you're making use of Aegean Airlines, it's always advisable to check in 48 hours period to your departure, and you can always do this online without having to do that at the airport. And how do you do so? Now, the first thing is to make sure that to check the exact time window for your specific flight based on the departure airport. So once you've checked the exact time window and it's 48 hours your departure, then you can check in online. If it's not up to 48 hours before your departure, you would not be able to check in online. So take note of that. In case you be trying to check in and it's not working, check the departure time and then confirm. And then once you check the departure time and you are good to go, the next thing is to log in into your Aegean Airlines account, just like I have done here. And then once you've done that, scroll down to the page where you can see options like book a flight, flight plus hotel package, rent a car, my booking, check in. Just go ahead and click on check in. After clicking on check in, you can see the requirement, which are to provide your booking reference or your e-ticket number and then your last name. Whenever you've paid for a flight or you've booked a flight online, a booking reference will be sent to you via your email, and then just check your email, the email you received after your transaction was successful, and paste it here, then as well as your last name. And then once you've done that, click on continue, and then you'll be taken to another page where you can now continue the check-in process. Alright, the reason I can't show you vividly is because I have not checked in or booked a flight on Aegean Airlines before. I'm just using this to teach you how to go about it. So you can see the right up which says online check-in is available 48 hours to 30 minutes before flight departure. So make use of that and check in to your flight online. Thanks for watching and have a good day.